In this video, I want to continue showing you some of the features that's involved with the virtual networking functionality in Workstation 8. And specifically, I want to show you how you can control the bandwidth and the acceptable packet loss on each individual network adapter. This is some really cool stuff because this allows you to test applications when they have poor network response, when they don't have enough throughput, that sort of thing, and even packet loss. And so what I want to show you here is I still have two adapters on this XP Professional machine. How did I get these two? Well, if you will go back and watch adding a virtual network adapter, you'll see how the second adapter got there. And if you want to see how it became, one of them became bridged and the other one's still NAT, you can watch modifying a virtual network adapter. But if I want to limit, let's start with the bridged one. I'll click on this and it will come up here. Notice with highlighted here on the hardware tab in my virtual machine settings, and let me show you, I could have gotten there same way right here and then choose the adapter that I want. If I click on advanced, notice this brings up, I can control the amount of bandwidth that will be passed through this adapter, both incoming and outgoing. So notice on the incoming, I can say, you know what, I don't want you to, just let's limit this to 64 kilobits per second, and I'll take 3% packet loss before that becomes a problem. Then on outgoing, I'll say, you know what, I'll allow T1 service going out, and we'll set a packet loss there of 3%. All right, and we can set OK, and then that's done. On our NAT network adapter, I can click advanced. Notice I can set these here, and I will set these at, for example, T3 45 megabits per second. On that one, 3%, and I'll do this one 45 in and out. And so you can see I'm playing favorites here. But notice I can now change exactly what's going on with these things, and I can control the incoming and outgoing transfer rates for my cards. I can do all kind of neat things to test a network, to test the relationship, to test applications between multiple machines. And so anyway, really neat stuff here. So that is how to configure bandwidth and packet loss on each individual network card in a virtual machine. And keep in mind, I can set those on any virtual machine that I have in here. Okay, so notice I have a network adapter here, and I can go out and set the same thing, and this is on my Ubuntu machine. So there you go. There's how to configure your bandwidth.